In the light of Islam, here are some things that one should do after an earthquake. Seek refuge in Allah and recite du'a, supplications, for protection and safety. Check for injuries and provide medical assistance to those in need. Help the elderly, children, and disabled people to evacuate the affected area safely. Participate in rescue efforts and provide support to the emergency services. Donate money or other forms of aid to help the affected communities recover. Offer condolences and support to those who have lost loved ones or homes. Be patient and maintain a positive attitude, as this is a test from Allah and an opportunity to increase one's faith and reliance on Him. It is also important to remember that earthquakes and other natural disasters are a reminder of the power of Allah and the transitory nature of this life.